Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to learn how to make this bag with only one half double crochet stitch. So let's start it. Okay, so here I'm using this green yarn and the crochet hook is 4.50 mm. So let's start it. Okay, so first make a slip knot using your thumb. Make a cross like this, then insert your hook, turn it around, make a knot. And now we will do chain 30. Yarn over, pull up a loop. This is your chain 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Like this we will do chain 30. And after chain 30 we will work 2 more chains, 1 and 2. And now let's do our first half double crochet. Yarn over, skip these 1 and 2 second 2 stitches, and the third chain right here, insert your hook, yarn over. Now pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 3. This is our first half double crochet. Again, yarn over, into the next chain insert your hook, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 3. Again, let's do our third half double crochet. Like this, complete your row. So our row 1 is complete with half double crochet in each of the stitch. And now what we will do, into our last stitch we will add 2 more double crochets, 2 more half double crochets. We have already done one, this is our second. Let's add third half double crochet. And now we will not turn our work, but we will turn it around like this to make it a rounded shape. And now into these chain gaps, now we will work in these chain gaps. We will insert our hook into these chain gaps, then work 1 half double crochet. So these are 3 half double crochets. Now yarn over, insert your hook into this chain gap, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook, pull through 3. Again, this is our second, while securing this end. Like this we will complete our row till the end. Now again we will do 2 half double crochet in our last stitch. Now 2 half double crochet in these 2 stitches, and 2 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet. Now we will do single half double crochet in each of the stitch. Now again in our last stitch, 2 half double crochets, and 2, and into these 3 stitches work 2 half double crochet. This is our 1, 2, into the next 2 half double crochets, now one half double crochet in each of the stitch. Now we will not increase in any of the stitch. Instead, we will work one half double crochet in each of the stitch. One, again into the next stitch, one half double crochet, one, now like this, one half double crochet in each of the stitch, and we will complete till our 15 rows. Let's finish this. Okay, so we have finished till 11 rows. Now let's finish the remaining rows. Okay, so our 15th row is complete now. And from this 15th row, we will start doing slip stitch in each of this stitch. Just insert your hook, then pull up a loop, pull through this loop. This is our slip stitch. Let's continue. This slip stitch will give our bag a perfect finished look. Like this. Just finish it till the end. Now let's do our last slip stitch. This is our first slip stitch. This is our last. Insert your hook, work one slip stitch and then chain one. Cut this off. We will hide this later. Okay, so our bag is almost ready now. Now we will add the straps and one bigger strap. Okay, so again I'm using the seam yarn. First make a slip stitch and then chain 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like this, make chain 40. Our chain 40 is complete now. Let's add one more chain. Now skip this first chain and into the next one we will add one slip stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, pull through this loop. Again into the next slip stitch, pull up a loop, pull through this loop. We will do slip stitch in each of the chain. Like this, finish this off. Okay, so we are almost finished with our slip stitch. Let's do the last one. And now chain one, cut this off, make a knot, like this, make one more. Okay, so now our both straps are ready. We'll attach these to our bag on this side. I'm using this needle. Let's attach this. Okay, so now our bag is almost finished. We will just add the bigger strap this side. Okay, now let's make that bigger strap. I want my strap to look more thicker than this, so I'm using these 3 tails of the yarn. Now this is okay, so this is the side. Insert your hook. Now pull up the loop, secure the end. Now chain 1. We will hide these into this area. Now continue the chains till your desirable length. I'm gonna do 60 to 65 chains. Let's continue. So our chain 65 is complete now. Let's attach this to this corner. Insert your hook. Then work 1 slip stitch. Then chain 1. Cut this off. Now hide this and this tail. Okay, so our bag is finished now.